What's up everybody, I'm Jessie and I'm here in the Harley-Davidson garage. Today I'm going to show you the Kahuna heated hand grips. Whether riding in the cool morning air or on a frigid night, these Kahuna heated hand grips are a great way to keep your hands warm while adding a stylish customized look to your motorcycle. The three heat settings, high, medium and low, are thermostatically controlled to ensure the selected temperature is maintained throughout the ride. A flexible PCB heating element allows even distribution of heating, and they have independent temperature sensing and control for left and right grips. The heat settings are controlled by a left-hand grip button or touchscreen and indicated through the motorcycle display screen. The Kahuna heated hand grips are stylish with a rich black rubber for grip and traction over a gloss black or chrome finish. The red bar and shield logo completes the look. Match these grips with the Kahuna Collection engine trim. Check the website to make sure these grips are compatible with your model Harley-Davidson. For these and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.